It's time to knock out some acne scars. I'm Dr. Greeney, a board certified dermatologist, and before deciding to make this video, I've been testing a unique at-home microneedling tool from Banish, and today I'm going to share my insights with you. Let's explore how to effectively tackle acne scars at home. Acne scarring occurs when the skin's healing process is disrupted, often leaving behind textural changes or discoloration. While professional treatments like lasers and peels are options, they can be costly and they can require significant downtime. Microneedling is a fantastic alternative. It's cost-effective, it's low downtime, and it can be performed safely at home. Microneedling at home is recommended for those with shallower scars and for those with darker skin tones who may not be candidates for laser treatments. Today, we're focusing on the Banisher 2.0, a stamping microneedling device, and why it might be a game changer for your skincare routine. The Banisher 2.0 is a stamper, not a roller. It makes it safer and more precise. It's ideal for targeting acne scars that can be used around active acne. The fine needles minimize the trauma, making it suitable for even beginners. The best time for this treatment is in the evening, allowing your skin to heal overnight. You can avoid makeup for at least 8 hours post-treatment and apply a sunscreen during the day. Consistent weekly use brings the best results. So let's dive into how to use the Banisher 2.0 safely. Sanitize the Banisher with rubbing alcohol for 5 minutes and let it air dry. Clean your skin thoroughly using alcohol wipe if you want to. When microneedling, gently press the Banisher onto the skin without twisting or dragging. Focus on areas of the scarring and repeat it 3 to 5 times per area. Now, while you're doing this treatment, it does hurt a little bit. It's not relaxing. It's needles on your skin, right? But it's really not all that bad. You can handle it, and it's a great way to help tackle these acne scars. No pain, no gain. So before you start your treatment, you're gonna wanna cleanse the Banisher. And the cap can serve actually as a cleansing container too. So I'll just fill that with some isopropyl alcohol, and then you can screw the Banisher right onto that, and it makes a lovely chamber to sanitize those microneedling tips. And you can leave that on for 5 minutes. Not only do you want to get your microneedling tip clean, but you also want to clean your skin. Once you get your skin clean with your favorite cleanser, you can wipe your skin down with a little bit of alcohol to make sure your skin is perfectly clean. After 5 minutes, you can take the Banisher off the cap and allow it to air dry. Once you get your skin completely clean and the Banisher is dry, you can start the treatment. And all you're going to do is you're going to gently stamp the Banisher across your skin. And you can go over tough areas 3 to 5 times. When I do this, it doesn't feel perfectly comfortable. There's a tiny little poke of pain. Obviously, these are microneedles, right? So there's gonna be a little bit of pain involved, but it's totally tolerable. Obviously, I'm talking to you guys, getting through it okay. My skin's gonna get a little bit red, and that's perfectly normal. Some little redness is a perfect endpoint for the fact that the microneedling is causing controlled damage to stimulate collagen and help to remodel those acne scars. Just gentle pressure is really all you need. I think the most sensitive area is right under the upper lip. You definitely don't want to drag the device across your skin. You just want to stamp it, lift, and repeat. That's the advantage of the Banisher, is the fact that it does simply top-down stamping pattern is way safer, and it's more control of it. So it's not dragging across your skin, causing haphazard cuts on your skin. The whole treatment really only takes a few minutes. I personally like doing the treatment about 3 times per week. When you're all done, the skin is going to look a little bit pink, and that's okay. This is what you want to see, a slight pinkness from controlled penetration of the skin to stimulate that good collagen. After using the Banisher, apply a few drops of Banish vitamin C serum. It's freshly made to maximize the effectiveness, and it helps in collagen production, but you can expect a slight tingle, and that's totally normal, especially after you have sensitive skin after the microneedling treatment. And again, this is a good way to help to stimulate collagen and stabilize collagen in your skin. And just 3 or 4 drops is really all you need. It may sting just a tiny little bit, but it's nothing that's real bad. This is gonna help to support your collagen overnight. So you wanna do this treatment usually at night, allow your skin to heal overnight. All those little microneedling holes are gonna heal up safely. And then you can use your sunscreen in the morning to protect your results. While these little microneedling holes are healing, I would avoid makeup for at least 8 hours after the procedure. Allow them to heal in nicely, and then in the morning you can use your sunscreen. From my experience, the Banisher 2.0 is an excellent tool for those looking for an affordable, accessible way to address acne scars at home. It's easy to use, and the results are promising, especially for newer scars, hyperpigmented scars, and rolling scars. I love the fact that the Banisher is a stamping device and not a rolling device, because that allows more precise control of where you're treating, and it prevents excess trauma to the skin. Now, I never want you guys to waste a lot of money, so it's not perfect for every kind of scar. If you have really deep ice pick scars or prone to getting keloids, which are raised scars that are bigger than the area of the pimple, at-home microneedling in that case would not be recommended. If you do have those kind of scars, such as keloids or ice pick acne scarring, no worries. There's still treatments that you can do in the dermatology office to help improve them. Things like TCA Cross can help acne ice pick scarring, and keloids can often be injected in the office to flatten out that skin texture. Thank you guys for joining me today. If you have any questions about microneedling acne scars or the Banisher 2.0, feel free to ask in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay on the journey of getting your best skin. Here's to achieving your skincare goals, and we'll see you in the next video.